Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an effective homemade hair growth serum that does three things at once. It promotes hair growth, treats scalp problems, and greatly helps improve scalp health. The best part about this serum is except for the essential oil, the rest of the ingredients are common kitchen ingredients. Actually, I tried this as a hair pack first, but later I found using it as a hair serum was much more effective. The first base ingredient for the serum is amla. I generally include amla in hair oils and hair packs, but this is the first time I'm using it in a hair serum and I'm loving it. Fresh amla extract treats dandruff, improves scalp health, and helps promote hair growth. Though you can use amla powder for the serum, if you have access to fresh amla, please try this with a fresh extract. I'm sure you'll love it too. But suppose if you don't have access to fresh amla, you can use 2 teaspoons of amla powder in this recipe. The second base ingredient is curry leaf. Like amla, curry leaf also has been used for hair care for centuries, and you'll benefit from consuming both amla and curry leaf internally and also applying externally. This will help treat nutritional deficiencies along with improving scalp health. Here in our home, we consume a drink made with amla and curry leaves regularly, and I leave the video link for it in the description box below. This serum is as effective as any store-bought serum. Few days back, I was checking the price of all store-bought serums, and I was surprised at how expensive they are. Homemade hair growth serums can be made at the fraction of the cost of store-bought serums, and trust me, they'll be equally effective. To make the serum, take 20 to 25 fresh curry leaves in a bowl. Add in 1/4 cup of freshly grated coconut. Cut 5 fresh amlas and add them too. Finally, add very little water for grinding the mixture. Now grind this in a mixer to a fine paste. Once ground, take it in a fine strainer and strain to get a smooth serum. The serum should be smooth and thick, so make sure to add only little water while grinding. If the serum is very runny, it will be dripping all over us once we apply. If you have coconut water at home, you can also use it instead of water while grinding. Now add in few drops of either rosemary or peppermint essential oil. Now mix well with a spoon. I generally add 6 drops for every 30 ml of the mixture. This is 1% concentration. Both rosemary and peppermint also helps promote hair growth. This serum will last well in the fridge for 4 to 5 days. This serum also freezes well. You can pour it into individual ice cube trays and use whenever necessary. To use, spray the serum all over the scalp and gently massage it in. Wait for an hour and then wash it off using a mild shampoo and condition your hair as usual. This is a very potent serum that revitalizes our hair follicles along with protecting our hair from environmental stresses. If you don't have a glass hairspray bottle like I do, you can also take some in your hands and massage it into your scalp. This hair serum can be used as often as you like. Try it for a few weeks regularly, and your hair fall will reduce drastically, and you'll notice that your hair is getting thicker and stronger. Do give it a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.